Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw some hand soap. So to start off with this, I'm going to start right about here at the top of my paper, and I'm just going to make kind of like a little rectangle shape. So I'm going to draw a line that goes up, over, and then down like this. And then I'm just going to draw a line straight across. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes up, over, and then down, but really skinny for the top. Then right up here, I'm going to draw two little lines. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes straight across the top like this. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes up. It's going to go over. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes really far out, and then it's going to kind of curve down. Then I'm going to go up or over, and then I'm just going to kind of curve this up and then back down to here. Then right here, we want to make the actual bottle part. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go out on this side and then out on this side. Then I'm just going to bring this straight down. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, just kind of bring it down. It can kind of curve in a little bit. Then I'm just going to kind of curve it around at the bottom to connect it. Now, right here, I'm going to draw a face. So I'm just going to draw a circle for one eye and then a circle for another eye. I'm going to add two circles inside of here, and I'm just going to color in most of it. Just leave a little bit of it white. You can color in the whole thing if you want to. It's up to you. Then I'm going to add two little lines like this, and then a big smiley face right here. Then I'm going to add a little curved line underneath the smiley face. Then I'm just going to kind of make like a big rectangle shape in here. So I'm going to make a line that goes across. Then I'm going to go down, and I want to make sure I go past the face. And then I'm just going to connect it like this. Then right up here, I want to make a little bit of soap coming out. So I'm just going to make a little bit of like a wavy line like this. Put a little curved line right there. And then right here, I'm just going to make a little bit of like a kind of wavy, puddly line for like a little bit of soap that fell down. Then right here, I'm just going to add some lines on this part. And there you go. There is your drawing of some cartoon hand soap. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.